These are my father's dogs, not mine. I only take them for a walk or for hunting. Basically, I just help. There are dog shows, I bring them there. I also take them to the training hunting centers, to hunt for a bear or for a badger. But nowadays, there are no such hunting centers. And probably no such hunting centers are likely to be opened. Actually, I love all the animals. I would have become an animal protector if it weren't for my father. For sure. At first, I bought my father a hybrid. It is considered as an improved breed of husky, second generation hybrid. The second and the third generation is a mixture with the wolf's blood. It was believed that such dog is a stayer, and it is of better characteristics compared to a simple husky. I decided to make such a gift to my father. It was a she-dog. I took her from the local hunters.
But it had been stolen in 2 weeks.
Then I could never stop thinking about taking a wolf. The wolf is a kind of animal that adapts everywhere. For example, someone wants to give me a cheetah, but it won't adapt there in our climate. It has to be kept in a warm climate and places. But the wolf is a whole different animal. Adapts everywhere. Moreover, it's from canine family. It would be easy to mongrelize it with a husky. That was very interesting for me. I was really interested in hybridization. Actually, I wanted to buy a polar she-wolf. I've mentioned about it in my YouTube channel. But the point is that, first of all, I had no money to buy it. They are too expensive. And secondly, I couldn't find it. I've been offered grey and black ones. I didn't like black at all. I could hardly call it a wolf. Didn't like the color. And then one day, my friend sent me a photo of a small wolf, Akela. I saw and fell in love at first sight. He looked like a tiny bear. I stuck onto him. Don't know why, but I took him. And then I nearly drove me crazy. That was very difficult for the first 3 or 4 months. No support. Vice versa. Everybody kept telling me that the wolf will devour me. He was growing up fast, was very aggressive, because he was taken from his mother, not from people who feed him like a usual puppy. He was the last. Someone booked him, then refused to buy, and the owner needed someone to buy it as soon as possible, because in future it would be too hard to sell him. And finally I took him. About a half of a year I fought with him, couldn't cope with him, but then he began to understand everything. I met some people who have wolves. They explained me a lot about the wolves. Now everything is fine. But I do not get into his cage during the mating season, stop communicating with him. I try to socialize him, to organize visits. People will come and look at him, relatives for example. But it's not so easy, because we live far away from the city. For the first time, I didn't tell that I have a wolf, because the hybrid had been stolen. But then, in 2 weeks, I realized that no one can steal him. He is a beast. It would be a hard thing to do. Sometimes my neighbors visited him. I used to tell them that it is a black husky, but they saw some differences. Huge paws, doesn't look like a simple husky. All of our neighbors are good ones. We are getting along just fine. But there were some negative moments. Because of the dogs, because they fight. Male dogs fight each other. That's it. But the wolf wasn't the point of arguments. Frankly speaking, he got away 7 times. Once he spent 2 days in the forest. He was 3 or 4 months old. I found him scared. There was a case Our neighbor had a lot of 5 liters bottles with water on his patch. I don't know for what purpose. And one day I had been working in Akella's enclosure, covered the pits he made with the sand. And Akella ran away and chased the neighbor's patch. I've heard the shouts and raced there. And after all this time, my neighbor have told that Akella beat 15 5-liters bottles with water. He came and beat all of them one by one, smashed everything. All the water drained out. He smashed all the bottles. In 2 weeks he got away again. But he was small. If the wolf is not older than a year, he looks like a puppy. He won't bite or attack someone. I've heard that woman is shouting and raced out. My neighbor was scared, hiding in the car. Then he told me that they had a lot of food outside on the table. They had been having a celebration when Akella frightened all of them with a roar. The guests escaped, hid in the house or in the cars, and Akella have eaten all of the food peacefully and went away. Are you going to pose? Come here. Many people in the city still don't know that I have a wolf. Here in local housing community, Prostokvashino, people know. But in Urengoy only a few people know about the wolf. I don't know why. I don't know, because of the lack of the information maybe, but there is a great deal of information. I always in top in Instagram, top 9 photos, because he is really popular. Maybe people think that it is not a real wolf, maybe something else, I don't know. Is there anybody who writes to you and wants to visit Akella? Yes, there are a lot of people from the city, but a lot of people want to come from other countries. They write me from Greece, France, Canada. He has a lot of fans that want to fly from other countries to look at him. I would like to receive all the visitors, but I don't have an opportunity. In our family, it's a kind of tradition to be hospitable. Imagine if someone comes from far away. I won't say, go to the hotel, or let him in only for 5 minutes, show a wolf, and say goodbye. I have to spend some time with this person, tell something, take a nature hike, like we've done with you, take care, feed. We have such tradition in our family. So I refuse to all people, because I don't have an opportunity. Akella, look, you have guests. Guests have come. That's guests. I don't see my family because I spend a lot of time with the wolf. You have a wife? Yeah, wife and a daughter. How did your wife treated your activity? Horribly. Everyone treated this horribly. My wife was about to give birth to our daughter. They are age mate actually, within 2 or 3 weeks. With Akella? Yeah, with him. My wife was pregnant when I brought the wolf. Then she was taken to the maternity clinic. She said that I have to get rid of him when she gets back. That was funny. My father was against this idea. Mother and brothers used to say that I am crazy. I've bought him in the zoo in Surgut. How much is it worth? The minimal price is $1,000, but it was cheaper for me, firstly because he spent a lot of time with his mother. He wasn't socialized. Secondly, that he was the last one and grew up with his mother. And then, in future, he could have been too wild. No one would buy such wolf. So, but for the half of the price someone could buy him. I'm sure. Twice cheaper. If I get a polar she-wolf, I'll visit local zoo director to decide where the wolves should live. Because my father won't let me hold her here. And, you know, I can't refuse such a gift. That was my dream, having a polar she-wolf. I could go for a walk with her, and she would be loyal to me. However, a wolf is a freedom-loving animal. He wants freedom all the time, and he is independent. That's why he doesn't need me as a family. Of course, he thinks I am his family. I feed him and all that, but anytime he can run away from me. Anytime. He won't even look back, especially if he meets she-wolf in the forest. I won't find him. What about plans? I have a lot of plans with him, but I don't know. Now I'll let things be. But if I get she-wolf, like they promised, I think she would be a match for Akela, and he won't need anything. He will have all the conditions: food, walking area. We will purchase a piece of land. I will discuss it with the local zoo director, because we know each other. There are no wolves in our region at all. But if we have, people would come and look at Canadian wolf and polar wolf. It must be a very beautiful contrast. Black and white wolf. You know, as in American films or zoos. I realize that all the financial expenses and upkeep of this place are my problems. This is not a problem. And building walking area is my problem too. And it would be fantastic. That is if I don't go. But if I do, I've made an arrangement in St. Petersburg. I get a piece of land there, and I will build everything there on my own. Good enclosures, walking area, where wolves can run and walk, not like we have here, for their proper development. As you can see, he doesn't even let me touch him. How should I put a collar on him? Some people say, put on a collar on him and go for a walk. I can show how I try to put on a collar. It may last for 2 days or even a week. He won't let me. What's this over there? This is the transporting box. We've made it on our own. It is supposed to be locked. He comes in, he'll come out from here now. He knows that I can lock him here. Basically, it is a simple dog house. It's necessary to buy some hay and put here before winter. And that's it. There are many proposals for photo sessions, meetings, but it is impossible to do that. But if the money are right, how could I go out with him? He will bite me, wrap me, push me. We'll definitely fight with him. It is impossible for me to arrive somewhere with him. It's necessary to put him to sleep. But why? Frankly speaking, I would create my own park, safari park, with the cars driving through and animals walking around. I have a dream. I'll make this dream come true. And I think everything works out in 3 or 4 years. I will translate it into reality. I think. If you persistently move forward toward the aim and be inspired with the aim, everything works out. If sponsors appear, I don't mind, but I plan to do everything with my money. I don't have such money, but I will do everything step by step. At first find the land, then a couple of animals, and then a lot more. Is it going to be the zoo? No, it's going to be a kind of a safari park, where animals walking around, not in cages. Nice to look that animals are happy. No one writes petitions like, his animals are suffering, the water is dirty, they live in bad conditions, like it happens in our local zoos. I'm counting on sponsors. Better to say investors, who are interested in earning money. Without that, there is no park. You have to be a billionaire to build this park on your own. Vyuga, good girl. Quiet, let's go to Akela. Quiet, let's go. Let's go to Akela. Vyuga, stop biting him. She is very modest. Bites him. If he wanted, he would kill her. He pushes too hard. She goes crazy. She doesn't like him, but he likes her. But if we let Taiga in, the old dog, he loves her so much. I showed you she is the biggest one. He is tender and gentle with her. He takes care of her. She bites him, but he licks her, kisses, and she doesn't mind. But Vyuga, look, what a batch!
I have a donating account for collecting money. I showed you a piece of land that I wanted to buy. It costs about $500,000.
And I've put a goal, 1 million.
Because 500,000 rubles for land and other costs for making documents, making a fence, the complete improvement, planting trees, building a small house for 100,000 rubles to live. A lot of money. So I put 1 million to collect. Does anyone send money? People speak about sending the money too much, but do very little, as usual. Implementing everything on my own would be too hard. Some ask, why did you get the wolf? Listen to me, there are people who get the animal, then kill, or do not feed, and animal dies. My wolf lives in good conditions, gets a lot of attention and food, deer meat, moose meat. Sometimes I bring him moose heads and cow's heads. I even buy shrimps. He has a lot of food. He has a kind of smorgasbord, freshwater fish, sea fish. He is high of life.
Frankly speaking, there are some negative sides. I can't go somewhere with him. It's not because I don't want. I think about other people, because he is not safe. Never get the wolf. If you think that it will behave like a dog, running around, love you and obey, that's all illusion. The wolf won't love you. This is a wild animal. When you see me hugging him, it happens very rarely. In those 2 weeks, when he might miss me and come to me. In fact, his purpose is to rip my throat, but not to hug and lick me. Wolves are wild animals and can kill you anytime. Aren't you afraid getting into his cage like one long last call? No, I'm not afraid. He'll attack me if I'm scared. I try not to think about fear. Because of it, I do not visit him during mating season. I realize he can attack me. He is strong enough to beat me. Once I got into his cage during the mating season. He knocked me over. I had a spade with me. I do not get into his cage during the mating season without the spade. He attacked me. I fell down on the floor and lost the spade. I was lying on the floor, shocked and confused. He sat on me, showed me his teeth, wanted me to go away. Once more, do not get the wolf. That's great that government will not allow getting wild animals. They do everything right. If I could turn back time, I would never get the wolf. For what? I suffered a lot, spent a lot of time. I thank him for everything. He motivated me. I met many people. I work with one Turkish guy on YouTube. He wrote me that I have changed his life, that he lives in a good conditions now. Has the wolf changed your life? Yes, he changed my life. He changed me for the better. We had our ups and downs, for sure, but he changed my life fundamentally. I have different goals, different plans. For example, the park. Would you say that you are growing up with him together?
Yes, I am. Together with him.